Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that things with you, how can add some of the value before this array, and also after this array, how can add some of the another value, and also into the center position, how can add some of the value with the spellist, right? So there is an unshift one of the method, the push method, and split method. Now I want to remove it. I want to remove it the same things. I want from to the beginning. If you want to remove it, how can remove it? Into the last one, how can remove it? And also into the center position, how can remove it? Okay, let's do that work. For doing this better, I want to make it as a 1, and I take as a 2, and make it as a 3, and then 4, and then 5. I want to take another one as a 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I simply add it. Right now I remove it, and also I remove it. Okay, I also remove it. First of all, I want to remove from to the beginning. If you want to remove it from to the beginning, then they have also another method. So that is our numbers. Into the number, there is another method as a shift. Okay, so when you run this shift method, automatically from to the beginning, that will be removed. Like that means right now if you run as a 1, then first one will be removed. Okay, that means one by one it should be removed. Now click as a save all, and now if you go, now if you refresh it, now you can see that from here that is 1 is gone. And if you run it again, if you run it the 2 times, then 2 will be removed. Okay, now if you click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, now you can see it's now started from to the 3. Okay friend, I hope it's very clear to you. And also from to the last, if you want to remove some of the value, then how can do this work? For doing this, there is also another method. There is a numbers. With these numbers, I want to do that is a pop method. Okay, that is a pop method. So when you run any pop method, then automatically from your array our last value will be removed. Okay, like if you click as a save all, and now our 8 should be removed. That means here you can see there is a 8 not should be displayed right now. Yes, you can see 8 is totally gone. And also if you want to run it again another time, okay, if you run it another time, then another one will be gone. If you click at the save all, and now if you refresh it, okay, now you can see it's now totally gone. I hope it's very clear. And now if you want to remove it from particulars, some of the places, you can also remove it. And then there is also another method. Okay, like there is a number. With this number, and there is the spellish method, same. Okay, so I have already discussed about that things with you. And from here, what exactly data you want to remove, like as a 0 index, 1 index, right, and then the 2 index. So from to the 2, I want to remove it. Okay, I want to remove how many how many value you want to remove. I want to remove the 3 index. Okay, that means first of all that will be as a 2 index. So from to the 2 index, I want to remove with the delete count. You can see that is the delete count. Here I want to remove the 3 value, so I make it as a 3. Before I didn't delete it, for the reason so here I make it as a 0. So right now I want to delete as a 3. That means 3 index will be removed. Okay, now if you want to check it, if you click as a save all, better I want to make it as a comment out. Okay, I make it as a comment out, click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's successfully deleted. Like there is a 1 and 2, and after the 2 there is a 3 deleted as a 3, 4, 5. Okay, that means the 3 value is deleted, and then there is a 6, 7, 8 is visible. You can see there is a 6, 7, 8 is visible. I hope friend you get some of the idea how can remove some of the array value data with the shift. There is a pop and then the splash. Okay, so everything will be needed later friend. Make that sure you remember all that method. Okay, that is array is very important part for the JavaScript. Make that sure you remember all that part. Make that sure you coding with me. Okay, so it's a shift for delete data from to the beginning, pop for the delete data from to the last one, and splash if you want to delete from a specific some of the index, then you can delete it with this splash method. I hope it's very much clear to you. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.